I am Maia and today I am reviewing Hatchimals. There are 46 puzzle pieces and you can collect 4 images, and it is made out of plastic and it is egg shaped, and the age recommended is 4 and up. So let's open it. I'm curious, what is the image? Hard. Wait, I think I got it now. Wait, oh no. I think this is the way to crack its egg. I am not sure. Man, this is so hard. Brent, any suggestion?
Cookies.
Huh?
Cookies.
How? Can you do it? Put it. Can you do it? Keep pushing it. It's so hard. Oh my god. It's super hard. Very. Oh my! You did it first! Oh! Yay! Oh, okay. Oh, really? Are you good at solving puzzles? Really? So here it is. So, Brent, we have this guy. It says here it's purple, a green dragon. Really? Okay. Wow. So let's get started. So yeah, this is the puzzle that we've made. So there's the eyes, the mouth. Yeah. That's these are the wings, the feet. Of course, these are the fur, spikes. It also took us 15 minutes to finish this. It was very challenging and I thought it's very easy, but it's not, but it's kind of cute and it's worth it. Once you finish it, your mind will be blown because of the cuteness. What do you say, Brent? Okay. That's it? Oh, okay. So guys, I hope that you like this review and subscribe to this channel. Bye!